Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
I can't wait to show you the inside of this brand new Curol construction home in Sanctuary Beach. Let's go check it out. Wow, welcome. Can you believe it? I know, a little bit of a surprise, but this home built by Curol Construction has this little hideaway nook. It looks like cabinetry, but you've actually got a pantry. And they didn't just put wire shelving in there, they did the butcher block. So literally no detail is missed. Beautiful, expansive kitchen, plenty of space for guests to hang out with you. But as with Curol, they do some unique things in each of their houses. This is just one of them. There are three I'm gonna highlight today. This beautiful refurbished piano turned into a wet bar. Isn't that just so creative and so unique? You've got your dining space right into your open living space. Listen, if this is just the ground level, I can't wait to show you more. Let's go. So welcome into the main ensuite. Few things I want to highlight here that you'll notice is the jewelry of the house. Curol Construction does a great job with those fine details and making something unique. As with, you put your bed here, you can look to the beautiful outdoors and there's no neighbors behind you, but you've got some features here. And then, as she typically does, straight from Louisiana, that enter you into the most beautiful ensuite. Clawfoot tubs, dual sinks but in different directions, large open showers with all the tile, and again, a beautiful walk-in closet that will fit everybody's needs. Check this out. This is another favorite design feature that Curol Construction does. They put the butcher block in here and really mac out these large laundry rooms. That's what you need when you're gonna have a 4-bedroom house and a full family in here, right? But I don't want you to miss this last little detail. They always look at the finer points. Even the guest bath has a clawfoot tub. Check it out. So for more information, look in the description below, find the listing link, you can get all the added details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.